Hey class, my name is Emily Francis. I am currently a stay-at-home mom. I run my own business as well. I have two daughters. My husband is overseas, so I am currently living in Pennsylvania with my family. Describe your work role, past or present, where you have encountered people who were diagnosed with a mental health condition. Um, so I have not really have I don't have any experience really in the social work field yet, other than schooling. Until I start my field placements, I have focused on working with children of special needs. I've been an ABA tutor, and I've done many internship hours in school districts, and I have been a paraprofessional as well. So I have ABA tutor is application of applied behavior analysis. It includes participants with mental health disorders and developmental disabilities. So I do have some experience, but not in the social work field like I've mentioned before. The next question was, in what ways do you participate in a treatment team to make DSM-5 diagnosis? So I have not really gotten that far since ABA tutoring is not a BCBA who is the diagnosis person. So psychologists will be using these criteria when evaluating individuals for these developmental disorders of the DSM-5. So it is becoming way bigger on the autism spectrum. So I personally don't have a lot of experience with that, but it is happening in special needs. Although this is not going to be my focus when I finish my MSW, it is something that I have learned and taken a lot from in the last couple of years. So I'm glad I have that experience. Anyways, I hope everyone has a really good uh, first week of class and good luck this semester.